In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable cookies on Shopify. Full 2024 guide. We're going to set up Shopify's built-in cookie consent banner so your store can use cookies while giving shoppers a clear, compliant choice. I'll walk you through the exact path in the admin, how to turn the banner on, pick a style and placement, and make sure it also shows during checkout. Let's get started. First, sign in to your Shopify admin and head to the Settings area at the bottom left of your dashboard. In Settings, open Customer Privacy. This is where Shopify centralizes consent and cookie controls, so everything we need is in one place. Next, go to Cookie Banner. This opens the Consent Banner Editor and Preview. Here's where you enable the banner that asks visitors to accept or manage cookies. Turn the banner on using the main toggle so it becomes active for your storefront. You'll see the live preview update right away, which is helpful while you customize. Now, let's style it so it's clear and on-brand. Choose the dark theme to ensure strong contrast and readability. If the interface offers a custom option, select it to fine-tune the look, then set the palette to dark again for consistency. Dark banners tend to stand out against most storefront backgrounds, which improves accessibility and prevents the banner from being overlooked. Choose the placement next. Set the position to center. A centered banner is attention-grabbing and typically drives higher consent rates because shoppers see it immediately. Check the preview to confirm it doesn't cover critical elements, especially on mobile. Review the controls visible on the banner. Make sure the primary accept option is prominent and that the additional controls, such as Manage Preferences or Decline, are enabled and clearly labeled. Clear choices help with compliance and reduce confusion for visitors. Before saving, enable Show Cookie Banner in checkout. This ensures customers who jump straight to checkout still receive and can respond to your consent request. It's an important detail that many stores miss. Finally, click Save to apply your changes. A few quick tips for verification. Open your store in an incognito or private window to see the banner like a new visitor and test on both desktop and mobile. If you don't see the banner, clear site data for your domain and refresh. Also, keep the color contrast high for accessibility and make sure your policy links are easy to find. That's it. Your Shopify cookie banner is now enabled